from plants. So that is called what we eat, what we human beings eat normally, who don't eat flesh. Okay, so these animals are eating both, सब खाएंगे. Okay, they have no restrictions. So such animals are called as omnivores, where human beings, crows, dogs, cats, all are like, these all are omnivores. Okay. So next we come to scavengers. Now scavengers are the animals which are eating the leftover. Okay. So if say the lion has killed some animal and he will eat how much he wants, the leftover he just keeps it there and goes away. So the scavengers like the hyena, okay, they cannot kill other animals. What they do, whatever is left from the kill that the lion had done, they will eat the leftover. Those are called as scavengers. So animals that feed on dead and decaying animals are called scavengers. Okay, dead, decaying, जो leftover है, okay, which is not fresh, which is bad, going bad, such things. So dead, decaying animals जो खाते हैं उनको बोलेंगे scavengers. Examples include vultures, jackals, wild dogs and hyenas. So these are all smaller, isn't it? Jackal, wolf, then vulture, jackal, wild dog, hyena. These are all very small in size. Okay. So the lions, tigers, they cannot compete with. So whatever they have killed, they wait, and after the lion, tiger have finished eating, they will eat the leftover. Okay. तो वो सड़ने लग जाता है. By the time they get it, it is already decaying. So they eat such decaying dead things. Okay, and that is why they are called as scavengers. They are also eating flesh, but they are not eating fresh meat. Okay, that is what is the difference. They are eating the leftovers. So scavengers have sharp teeth for ripping and tearing the flesh. Again, they are animal eaters. They are carnivores, so they have very pointed and sharp teeth to tear open the flesh. Okay, beta. Then next we come to is parasite. Now parasite, we have also seen parasitic plants, isn't it? What did they do? They fed upon the healthy plants. So in this way, there are animals also जो खुद कुछ नहीं करते हैं. Okay, दूसरों के ऊपर they depend for their food. So organisms that live on or inside the body of other living organisms and depend on them for food are called as parasites. Okay, so the microorganisms, they are living in or inside your body. Okay, in or outside your body, and they are feeding upon what you have eaten. Okay, so these are called parasites. Okay, they are doing nothing. दूसरों का जो भी रेडीमेड है वो खाते हैं. Okay, such animals are called as parasite. The animal on or inside which the parasite lives is called the host. Okay, so as I told you, there are many microorganisms in our digestive tract also. So those are parasites and they are living inside me. So I am the host. Okay, I am the host. Host कौन होता है? जो पार्टी थ्रो करता है ना? Who is paying? So host यानी वो खुद पार्टी देता है अपने पैसे से. So here I am the host. Okay, and I am giving party to these microorganisms inside me. Getting me? So these microorganisms, they are very small. They cannot make their own food, and so they depend on others for their food, and this is called as parasite. Okay, beta. So roundworm, hookworm, tapeworm are parasites that live inside the body of the host. So you must have heard about some children, they have very bad stomach ache and all. Why? Because some of them, they have these worms inside them. Worms यानी they are very small worms, okay, and they eat up whatever you are eating, that the worms eat up, okay. So your body is affected, you feel ill, okay, you don't feel good. So these are parasites and our body becomes the host. Lice, singular is louse, बालों में जू है ना, जुए, that is lice, okay. So those are also host, those are your parasites and you are the host. वो खून चूसते हैं, okay, they live in your hair. So the lice or louse, that is ticks and fleas, are parasites that live on the surface of the host body, है ना, हमारे बॉडी के ऊपर रहते हैं. Worms अंदर रहते हैं. The mouth of these organisms is adapted to suck blood from the host body, okay. So such insects or such animals, organisms which are living outside, they are having their mouths specially modified so that they can suck the blood, okay. Like the mosquito also, isn't it? उसको there is a thin tube-like structure in its mouth to suck the blood. So in this way, beta, these insects or animals, they are living on other animals, depending on other animals for their food. They cannot do it themselves, है ना, वो अपना खाना खुद नहीं ला सकते हैं, खुद बना नहीं सकते हैं, and so they depend on a host to get their nutrition. And yes, the host has problems because of it, isn't it? अगर जुए भी हो गए हैं तो बार बार आपको खुजली होगी and all. So if you have tapeworms in your stomach, say, then they take up all the nutrition and your body starts having problems. So these parasites, they harm the host. होस्ट को परेशान करते हैं, okay. So these organisms or animals are called as parasite. Parasite means the organisms who are depending on other animals for their food, okay. दूसरों को परेशान करके वो अपना खाना खाते हैं, okay. So that's it for today. This is what we have learned today. So please read the chapter and go through it. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers and parasites are the terms depending upon the food that the animals are eating, okay beta. So that's it for today.